this is Jamie from Shanti with a quick tip for you on working with our Hawaiian lava essence. Our Hawaiian lava essence is deeply transformational, and it can help you to release unwanted resentment and deep-seated pain or blockages within your system and transform them into something new. If you think about the volcano and how the lava freezes, and first it burns the land or destroys the land in its path, or destroys everything in its path, but then it eventually forms new earth, right? And so it is something of deep transformation and change. And so working with this essence can be a wonderful way for clearing out the old or any deep-seated blockages and resentments in your life and birthing something new, or making space to birth something new. It can also be a good essence to use as an adjunct in your skincare routines. You know, you can take the drops and apply it to a few drops to a cream that you're getting ready to place, or a toner if it's a very pure one, or even after you get out of a bath, to spray yourself with before your crown, third eye, or over your skin and aura before getting ready or before resting, especially if you're trying to release a certain type of energy and clear out the old. So that would be our Shanti Hawaiian Lava Essence. Thank you very much.